So let's take a look at how you can create a HyperApp project with Parcel Bundler. So first thing that we are going to do is we are going to create a directory. Let's say something like parcel. Here I already have one React parcel folder that I'm going to make use of. Now inside this folder, I'm going to type in npm init that should create a package.json file. Okay, and once you create package.json file, what you would be doing is you have to type in npm install, then --save-dev. Then here you have to use HyperApp and also use Parcel. Okay, these two libraries are what we need for this example. Okay, once you do installation, what you can do is open IDE or text editor such as Visual Studio Code and open your package.json. Here you can see your parcel is added into the script section where you can have this web server start command. It points to index.html. Now click on index.html. Here I have added some demo code. I'm going to add this HyperApp and Parcel.js example. Okay, and here it should point to index.js. So we have to create one index.js and we are going to add our HyperApp code here. So this script source should point to index.js. So this index.js here is empty and here is where we are going to write our code. So first thing, import and then curly bracket h and then app. Then it should import from HyperApp. Okay. Now next thing would be to create a constant, name it state. The reason being your HyperApp has state actions and views that you can make use of. So by default we are keeping state and action as empty and going to only fill out view, and here we have to point to state actions, and now here you can see I'm pointing to this HyperApp h2 where I can have this, let's say hello HyperApp from. Okay, so this is my message that I want to output on screen. Okay, so once you go through all that, next thing would be to use window.main, and here we have to point to app that takes state actions view and then finally document.body. Okay, that's all our default hello world application should look like. Make sure your index.html is pointing to this index.js, otherwise Parcel Bundler won't be properly compiling the code. Okay, and we may run out on some of the issues. Okay, so now let's open command prompt and then type in npm start. It should compile the code and show the output on localhost 1234. Okay, as you can see, our app is displaying our hello world content in h2 tag as we did here. Okay, so it pretty much shows you how you can execute your HyperApp with the help of Parcel Bundler. Also, you can see build was done in 7 milliseconds. It pretty much is quick. So this was short demo on how you can create HyperApp project with Parcel Bundler.